Hello everybody from Plant Reviews. Today is the 17th of April and in this video I am talking about the Tulip Bourbon Street. This is a really beautiful tulip. It has an amazing color. It's a very intense orange, as you can see. Unfortunately, the presentation, I'm not too sure why, cultivating it in a pot, the flowers are still kind of enclosed between the two upper leaves. When I planted it in the garden, the flowers were really nicely standing out of the leaves, so I don't know why the presentation is so bad in the pot. Probably they didn't have enough space. Next time I will use a bigger pot, or even better, probably will transfer them in my garden. Usually this tulip is quite tall, about 45 centimeters tall. However, in my pot grew only until about 35-40 centimeters, probably again because they were in a pot. Luckily, anyway, the amazing color, this very intense orange, is clearly evident, as you can see. Most tulips that are red have a central black part. However, in this one, in Bourbon Street, I'm trying to focus now, you can see the central part is actually yellow, not black as in many other red tulips. So is not as striking for the contrast when you see the flower from the top. However, really the orange and the yellow are very bright, so if you want strong colors in the garden, definitely Bourbon Street is a tulip I can definitely recommend. The fragrance is the tulip is fragrant. Like many other tulip, is not really a plant I can recommend for fragrance, but it has this kind of honey scent. I would say sweet, sweet honey scent. I would say light to medium strong. I wouldn't probably say you are able to smell it in the garden, but definitely if you smell the flower, I think you will be able to smell it. It is a very pleasant fragrance nevertheless. The bulbs are to be planted in autumn, about 10-15 centimeters deep. The leaves will start sprouting between late autumn and winter, and the flowers will bloom in mid-spring. In late spring the foliage will die down, only the bulbs will be the only living part of the plant, and the cycle starts again in autumn. Very important, as for all tulips, this plant needs very well drained soil and full sun, or at least partial shade. It is also very hardy, can be cultivated in USDA zones 3 to 8, so really in a wide range of climates, including throughout the United Kingdom. As usual, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, it would be great if you can please give a thumbs up, and if you like this video and the other videos on my channel, it would be great if you can please subscribe. It is completely free for you, but in this way, of course, you promote my channel on the YouTube platform, and then of course you support me in make even more videos. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below, and of course if you would like to have a review of any particular plant, just let me know. I'll try my best to find it and review it for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.